Welcome back to Bike Vibe, the place where the rumble of engines meets pure two-wheel passion, and today we're diving into one of the wildest custom builds to ever grace the streets, the Thunderbike BAT Wheeler Harley-Davidson. If you've ever wondered what happens when cutting-edge design collides with raw American muscle, this machine is your answer. So sit back, hit that like button, and let's roll into the world of a bike that looks like it escaped from the future. The Thunderbike BAT Wheeler isn't your typical Harley, it's a statement on wheels. Built by Thunderbike Customs, this beast takes the core spirit of a Harley-Davidson and transforms it into something that looks straight out of a superhero movie. Its stretched, low-slung stance and aggressive forward posture immediately demand attention. Every curve, every angle, every tiny detail has been crafted to evoke power, stealth, and pure attitude. When you first see the BAT Wheeler, the giant rear wheel is probably the thing your eyes lock onto. It's massive, sculpted, and unlike anything you'll find on a stock Harley. The bodywork flows around it like armor plating, giving the entire bike a sculptural, almost otherworldly appearance. Thunderbike is known for precision craftsmanship, and the BAT Wheeler proves just how far they're willing to push boundaries. The custom frame, custom fenders, and hand-built components all work together to create a silhouette that's both elegant and intimidating. Underneath all that artistry, the heart of the bike still beats like a true Harley-Davidson. It's got that unmistakable V-twin rumble that sends vibrations through your chest and instantly reminds you why Harley engines have become icons in their own right. The power delivery is smooth but forceful, capable of cruising effortlessly or roaring down the road with authority when you twist the throttle. Riding the BAT Wheeler isn't just transportation, it's an experience. You feel low to the ground, in control, and connected directly to the road. The long wheelbase gives it a distinct riding feel, more stretched and cruiser-oriented, but the custom suspension keeps things surprisingly stable. This bike wasn't built for tight city weaving. It's made for open roads, night rides, and moments when you just want to turn heads without trying. And speaking of turning heads, the paint job on the BAT Wheeler deserves its own spotlight. Thunderbike often opts for dark, stealthy tones on this model, with matte blacks, shadow grays, or deep metallic schemes that play perfectly with the BAT-inspired theme. Subtle graphics, polished edges, and strategic highlights add depth without ever taking away from the intimidating presence of the bike. It's the kind of design that makes people stop mid-conversation just to stare. Now let's talk about something everyone wants to know, the price. A full custom build like the Thunderbike BAT Wheeler isn't cheap. Depending on the specific components, upgrades, and customization requests, the price can land roughly around the $60,000 to $80,000 range or even higher. Every part is handcrafted, precision-fitted, and built to order, so the final cost really depends on how far you want to take the customization. This isn't a bike for the casual rider, it's a masterpiece for collectors, enthusiasts, and anyone who believes a motorcycle can be both art and performance. One of the coolest things about the BAT Wheeler is how the design strikes the perfect balance between futuristic and classic. It still feels like a Harley, still packs that unmistakable soul, but the custom elements elevate it into something unique. It's the kind of bike you ride when you want to make an entrance, when you want the world to know you're rolling up on something special. Even the smallest touches, like the custom grips, the seat stitching, and the integrated lighting, show how Thunderbike pushes creativity to the limit. And the sound, let's not forget the sound. When this thing fires up, it's not just noise, it's a roar that commands attention. Deep, growling, and full of character, the exhaust note perfectly matches the personality of the machine. Whether you're cruising at low RPM or letting the engine breathe on the highway, the bike speaks with authority. So if you're dreaming of a motorcycle that breaks boundaries, blends art with engineering, and delivers performance with attitude, the Thunderbike BAT Wheeler Harley-Davidson deserves a place on your bucket list. It's bold, it's powerful, and it captures the imagination in a way few custom builds ever can. Thanks for watching Bike Vibe. If you enjoyed this deep dive into an incredible custom machine, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another ride with us. Until next time, keep the engines loud and the vibes strong.